Chief, and welcome po sa ating operational briefing for the Umaalog incident dated May 18, 2026 from 6 o'clock a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. Would like to inform you, paki-turn off na lang po muna o pakisara na lang muna po ang ating mga cellphone habang ongoing po ang ating operational briefing. So let's start with our objectives. Number 1, ensure the safety of the responders and general public within the operational period. Number 2, conduct search and rescue operations for crab victims in Barangay Masama and Maasim. Number 3, provide medical assistance to all victims in evacuation facilities within the operational period. Number 4, conduct clearing operations in Barangay Maliit, Malaki, and Masama to provide access for fire suppression operations. Number 5, prevent fire spread in barangays Mapait, Maliit, at Maliwanag within the operational period. And number 6, re-establish power communication lines in the city of Santa Tanyaga within the operational period. Para po sa ating weather forecast, tinatawagan po natin ang ating para po sa ating operational assignments, tinatawagan po natin na para po sa ating current situation update, tinatawagan po natin na Operations Section Chief.
Good morning, everyone. I am Margaret, your Operations Section Chief. From the initial report, the police officer informed us that the south part of the Tanyag, which is here, we have divided our map into two divisions, Division A and Division B. The south part. Here in the south part, the Barangay Masama seems to have hit the hardest. Here. And then they reported that there are 10 confirmed fatalities or mga namatay. And we have 100 injured numbers of people na injured. And then at Barangay Mapait, Maliit at Maliwanag, at the north appear there are received as the infrastructure at the south have been reported na nasira due to fire outbreaks, and it results from a gas tank explosion. And here, as you can see in our map, there are some main roads na meron po siyang main blockage due to damages and debris fallout.
Thank you, ma'am. Para po sa ating weather forecast update, tinatawagan po natin si Mr. John Reynald Yasa.
Maraming salamat po, ma'am. So magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So narito po ang ating weather forecast mula sa DOST Pag-asa. So patuloy na naaapektuhan ng easterlies ang bansa, kaya asahan ng mainit hanggang maalinsangang panahon na may posibilidad ng mga isolated rain showers at thunderstorms, lalo na sa hapon at sa gabi. So magkakaroon din po tayo ng katamtaman hanggang malakas na hangin na ating mararamdaman. So meron po tayong temperature forecast para sa araw na ito. Para sa mga barangay ng Malaki, Masama at Maasim, kayo po ay magkakaroon ng posibleng magkaroon ng 28 degrees Celsius hanggang 31 degrees Celsius. Para naman sa mga barangay ng Maliit, Maliwanag at Mapait, kayo naman po ay maaaring makaramdam ng mga temperatures hanggang 27 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Pinapayuhan po ang publiko na magdala ng payong at manatiling updated sa weather advisories. So ayon naman po sa PBOX, posible rin magkaroon ng mga aftershocks, kaya pinapayuhan po ang lahat na mag-ingat. Muli, ito po ang inyong weather forecast mula sa DOST Pag-asa. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, sir. Para po sa inyong operational assignment, tinatawagan po natin muli ang ating Operations Section Chief, Ms. Margaret Michelle.
Good morning, team.
Morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Okay. SRR Group, andito po ba?
Ma'am?
Okay. Supervisor Melvin Almasa, nandito po ba kayo, sir?
Here.
Okay. For your work assignment, strike 1. For your work assignment, you will conduct the search and rescue and retrieval. For your strike 1, ito kayo sa stage 1. For the strike 2, ito kayo sa stage 2. Then, medical assistance group. Staging 1 and staging 2. For the medical assistance group, Supervisor Annalyn Acosta, andito po ba kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. For the medical assistant, the strike team 1, dito kayo sa staging area 1 also. And for the strike team, dito kayo sa staging area 2. For your work assignment, you will provide medical assistance for the EMT and for the ambulance, you will provide.
na dalawang field hospital po para sa mga minor injuries natin. Sa field hospital na po doon, meron po dedicated na transport na ambulance para po to cater specifically para sa ating mga responders. In the event po, meron tayo ng major injuries or life-threatening injuries habang tayo po ay deployed, coordinate na po kami sa St. Luke, Santa Taniaga. Doon po namin kayo ita-transfer providing po using our available ambulance na naka-deploy po sa ating respective field hospital. If any question po regarding sa logistics natin or kung meron pa kayong dagdag na pangangailangan, please free to contact me po or anyone sa command staff po natin. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat, sir. Para naman po sa finance and admin concern, tinatawagan naman po natin si Ms. Jobelie Pacana.
Magandang umaga po. Regarding po sa ating financial requirements, everything is in order na po. And we are currently operating within the approved budget. Pinapaalala ko lang po sa lahat na to make sure na mag-log in, to log your time in and time out properly para po sa accurate documentation. Also, please secure yung mga resibo and submit to our team para po sa reimbursement processing. Yan lamang pong update mula sa Finance and Administrative section.
Thank you, ma'am. Para naman po sa information plan and updates, tinatawagan naman po natin ang ating PIO, si Mr. Mark Joseph Bolan.
Good morning po sa ating lahat. Meron po tayong media presence. We will be responding sa lahat ng kanilang questions and refrain from answering to any questions na itatanong po nila sa inyo. Please refer their question to me or to our incident commander. We have our directory in place or they may approach us. Also, we will be conducting our media briefing at 900 hours. Ang start po nito at every 3 hours po magkakandak tayo ng media briefing to give them an information po. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Para naman po sa assisting and cooperating concern, tinatawagan naman po natin ang ating liaison officer, Mr. Ace Gonzalez.
Magandang balita para sa patuloy nating pakikipag-ugnayan mula sa Department of Health ang pagbibigay ng medical supply at karagdagang medical team mula sa DPWH for our staff briefing and also for the 5,000 food packages na provided with health and sleeping kits. Of course, from Department of Health para sa mga evacuees nating students and children na mayroong continuous education, and for the others natin, the food, which is very important, no? So, sa food nutrition natin, meron na din tayong contacts with our health office to nourish po, enough nourishment para sa ating mga evacuees. And coordinations po with our NGOs, no? From Parokya ni Ed and Joey, and also for the Oishi and Shield Department. Sa laki ng pinsalang ito, ang Telcom, Meralco at ang Manila Water ay meron tayong inaantabayanan at patuloy na communication sa kanila. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat, sir. And for his closing comments, we will call on our Incident Commander, Mr. Sergeant Ron.
Mga kapwa lingkod bayan, malinaw po ang ating kinaharap ngayon. Sabi ni Planning Section Chief, tandaan po natin ang tatlong K. Kaligtasan, komunikasyon, at koordinasyon. Koordinasyon ng bawat ahensya at opisina. Komunikasyon, since down po ang power lines, sulitin po natin ang ating mga ham radio. Kaligtasan ng bawat responder at higit sa lahat, kayo. Hindi po biro ang ating kinaharap ngayon. Sa mga ganitong krisis, hindi ko ito itinuturing na pabigat. Bagkus, isa po itong karangalan. At karangalan ko po ang makatrabaho ang bawat isa sa inyo. I would like to end this message with a quote. It is not what you are underneath, but it is what you do that defines you. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, sir. Para po sa ating breakout room, maaari na pong pumunta ang Division A Supervisor sa breakout room number 1 and ang ating Division Supervisor Bravo sa breakout room number 2. Maaari na po natin buksan ang ating mobile phones. Ang ating susunod na operational briefing ay gaganapin bukas, May 19, 2026 sa alas 5 ng umaga.